is Ashwini Kumar, and respected sir, seniors, teachers, principals. Good afternoon to everyone. Actually, this about Bogi app, we started long back thinking about this one. I do travel throughout the country for counseling and all. Because my profile was like that, I am into communication, mostly handle the information and the text, communication, data, that matters to me. When Aditya came down with this concept, I think we were at that time in Nalwani. We had a seminar over there on career for a group of schools. And that time he told me, then I told him that if you want to go for it, I think it's the best part you can do and contribute to the student life. I'm from Ranchi and this is my first event happening here in Jharkhand. When Aditya told me this is happening here right now in Jharkhand, so I said, okay, I will be there. I do travel throughout the country and this is the first time I am representing myself in my home state. I'm happy for that and I thank Aditya for that one. This concept is not like into this Bogi app only. This is a medium which can be used by the students and so that they can fall down into a good category of college. I know qualification, there is no fee, no charge. Because I have done my education like that way. If you want to be best of your best throughout your life, you should not pay for it in education at least. It's the best thing to crack examination and you shortlist yourself among others that you are best from that. Best among others. So I started from KD Vidyalaya, Ranchi, then I followed on to IIT Mishra. Then I went to BHU, I did a master's PhD there. Then I started my teaching in IIT BHU. Then I have course running right now in IIT, Charity, Pathshala, SST, MSc, so different courses are there. So this thing mattered to me a lot because I came from the same state and all. I know the problem of the student over here. They have the content. They have the content, they are lacking right now in exposure. The teachers, the academicians, the tutors, they give a base and foundation here. Our foundation is, I can say right now, probably I can say that I have a good foundation. The education I had was best for me, but I was lacking the exposure. When somebody guided me, to go for this college, this college, this college. But I was not from that rich background that I can ask for someone's suggestion also or consistency also. It's a better option for I had that time to crack examination so that I can fall under a good college. So this was there, but right now there is too much competition. There is the biggest market right now, and this is the tech-stream market right now. But I handle right now the placement of many corporates also, many companies also. I do the pre-selection of many colleges also. So what happens for them, for the companies also, for the students also, they get into college, but at the time of placement, what's going to happen? What happens over there? They're lacking of exposure, and the most important thing is communication. Anybody doing any course from IIT, IIM, I was teaching in IIT, this IIT, I remember I paid 7 students. They were just behind me because they were in the final year and they were just traveling here and there throughout my life. So I told them, whatever you do, you will be worker throughout your life. You cannot lead a team. Even you're getting a 7 lakh package right now, you will be of that much package for next 4-5 years. So this happens right now in industry. If you are saying that some company or some college will give you a job, but how much skills you have got in yourself, that matters. It's about the mentorship into this one, so mostly I talk to the parents. Anybody is suggesting you anything, there is some benefit. As we see the context and content changes when we see the news. Any event or any news happens in the market, the different media house represent in different terms. This happens if you start from backside of from the Aristotle, Pluto, Karl Marx, they were the base who started this platform to present yourself. For students, right now you are filling a content to them. They are like just a bottle without a lid. But it matters a lot. That is the skills you people get. So I'm thankful to Aditya right now because I never talked to anybody in Jharkhand or any student or teachers about this counseling thing. But I remember the first thing any student, one suggestion or guidance, they come to teacher first at any point of time or life. any future education that matters to teachers. Thank you so much, sir, for coming. So I will continue my thing. So anybody, if they are listening, or any student here, even the teachers, I would say try to, anybody is going for higher studies, because most of the companies are based right in the southern part of country or central part of India. Now all the companies headquarters are there. I have read of some of the companies also. I was leading some of the CAs also, engineers also. I have seen anybody having content in any field. If they are good in communication, they are going to lead that company or firm. That matters a lot. Even for pre-selection, I shortlist the student for a company also on the basis of marks. But after that, they're going to have to expose themselves into the industry exposure, the skills they have. So the ultimate package deciding thing that matters on their communication only, how they represent themselves. So even whatever the content right now you're given, they may not be able to utilize that thing over there. They will find a different exposure, culture, diversity, competition environment. So that time they will be lacking of the facts what you have taught to them. But if they are skillful in that one, they are going to utilize that thing a lot. It matters to every student, and this app is not about app only, it's about medium. I told Adit already that if you are adding me, the first member advisor I was added here, long back I think, long back. So I told him, if you are planning for this app, you have to work like me. There is no sleeping, nothing like that. I work 24 hours. If you have a benefit of yourself also, to improve yourself also, you want to grow yourself also, first you have to dedicate yourself to this app completely. And think about your sleeping in journey or read that time. So fill up yourself with the content so that you can give the content to others. But you have exposure right now. You can give others with your own experience. It's very tough for someone in the market to compete with others. The student here in Jamshedpur, in Jharkhand, I have seen they are not that much good in exposure. This is the fact. I believe in fact, this is the fact. As compared to the companies or students you see in the metro cities. The academics, the skills they have, not that much what we have right now. But how they get into good profile and all, they are leading the company over there. We are working under them. Why? They have not good academics also, not a score also, but why they are leading us? I was thinking about this question for a long time when I get into this industry. The thing is, they are exposed to some of the things, industry things, which are familiar. They are really a decision maker over here. जैसे हम सोचते हैं कि हमें ये करना वो करना, उस चीज़ से वो गुजरे हुए रहते हैं, उन्हें पता है कि ये करना है, बट हमारे लिए वो बिल्कुल नया होता है कि हम उस चीज़ को करें, हम उस पर बहुत पीछे आ जाते हैं। इसलिए जितनी भी कंपनीज अभी आप देखेंगे, खासकर किसी मेट्रो सिटीज में, they are led by the people who are local or regional. That means most of the people who are into senior profile leading a firm, they are not much qualified to lead you, but they have skills like the way most of the companies led by the owners of different region or world, they don't have that academic background, but they have skills. Check out any name throughout the world, any company throughout the world who is the leader. Have they got any background, technical background or degree also? You'll find mostly almost 70% of company owners don't have a degree. But they are hiring Indians and we believe that, oh, it's good for us, Indian is there. But you are working for someone. This is the fact. We are not leading that firm at all. So this happens for us, for Jharkhandi also, or for as a guy from this belt also. We are working for someone over there. And they will never allow us to get the equity also, the sharing also. Okay, just get the increment, just this fund, all the incentives they will give you. But you will not get the same partner over there. You will find somebody else from other country or other metro city guy is leading or taking the equity of that fund. So I would say, I think you people are the base of any content, any text, is represented in a book is written by someone's own, perception. Even the books also, like the news I was saying. But if it is factual and if the base is strong from your side, because you people are smarter, you people are the real base of, we'll say center for any student from academics, from UG, KG you can say, to this +2 at least. If you have given the base, strong base, they will sustain themselves in the market, in the real world, and they will grow. So I would like to end myself right now here. If I have anything in future, to interact more in future as well. Thank you so much.